Good morning, everyone. Well, the dollar rally continues with the U.S. unit gaining against most currencies. The dollar may be benefiting from some flight to safety owing to the continuing crisis in the Eurozone. It's looking increasingly likely Italy will be unable to form a government and will have to hold a new vote in several months, which that will draw out the uncertainty there. What's going on in Italy, indeed in all Europe, is very serious. Even the president of Germany said recently that he got, quote, a sense of unease, even unmistakable anger, which cannot be ignored when reading about Europe nowadays. But apparently German Chancellor Merkel has decided to ignore it. She once again stressed the need for Europe to continue with its austerity programs, and EU Economic and Monetary Affairs Commissioner Olli Rehn agreed, saying in Der Spiegel magazine that there's no scope for the bloc to let up on budget discipline. So, their stance only increases the likelihood of more voter revolts and a deepening split within Europe between Germany and the struggling other countries. More Eurozone crises seem likely, and Eurodollar may head lower, in my view. In this context, comments over the weekend by the Riksbank governor really stand out. He reiterated his previous comments that the current level of the krona is not a problem, that he's comfortable with the current level, and he also reaffirmed the Riksbank's economic forecasts of gradually rising inflation, which imply interest rate hikes at some time in the future. As one of the conscientious objectors in the currency wars, the krona is likely to appreciate further against both the dollar and the euro, in our view. With a likely RSI 9-day moving average crossover and the stochastics bearish, we see the downtrend in dollar stocky continuing, and we place a 2-day target of 6.366. We see our longer-term target of 6.281 materializing next week. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.